Hi, my name is Jordan Carlman. Today we're going to talk about numbers and letters while using text messaging. And we're going to talk about that two different ways. The first way is going to be with a standard cell phone. Now, standard cell phones actually have their own unique way to get through being able to send a message, let alone with numbers and texting. If you've ever used one before, you'll know that generally you're going to have to go to your menu, navigating using what are called soft keys, which are going to be on your left and right hand side. This is specifically a Motorola Razr, so you may need to check out your user's manual or contact the manufacturer of your cell phone to be sure how to get to that area, but almost all standard cell phones will have a left and right soft key to get to the menu. Once there, into the message that you want, there will usually be an option on the right or left soft key for entry modes. With entry modes, you're going to be given options of ABC in all caps, ABC not in all caps, 1, 2, 3 for numbers or symbols. All of these would be appropriate for texting, but 1, 2, 3 and symbols would give you the symbols you desire or the numbers you desire within your text messaging. With entering numbers, letters, and symbols in text messaging, other than standard phones, you do have the option for data devices, like the BlackBerry Storm. And this is the more modern option, and this is generally where cell phones are going, so I would actually advise any consumer getting into cell phones to make themselves familiar with a device like this. This is a touchscreen phone, and as you notice, it's using the QWERTY-style keyboard for its text entry method, but it has the letters doubled up. That's because we have the phone standing the way that it does. Now, to make it much easier, if we turn it on side, on most touchscreen phones, you're now going to get the full QWERTY keyboard as you'd see it on a PC. This is also how it would be displayed if you had a slide-out keyboard on a data device that doesn't use touchscreen. The difference between these two modes is, in this mode, now I can easily go and press the keys one letter per key, whereas if I turn it back to its normal side, you're going to get a predictive text option where the phone tries to predict what you're actually saying. You still have the same options to backspace, and you still have the same options to enter in the word that you want appropriately. But on the side, it's going to be like any normal PC. Where the shift keys would be, you have options for numbers and symbols. And that would be the difference if you're doing the text entry for numbers and letters with a data device phone. And that's the basics of numbers and letters in text messaging.